If it looks like I'm in a corner, it's because I am. But my video today is about how I prep my hair for braids. So, as you can see, I got braids. In the sunlight, you can tell where the color of my hair starts. It has grown a lot out. Like, this is it braided, but you can already tell that's how much of my new growth is. So, that's good. It's growing. I like it. Like I said, I have braids. They're not that long this time. They're like bra strap length. Check out my deep conditioning hack, my 2-ingredient deep conditioning hack somewhere over here. And that's how I started preparing my hair for my braids. So after I did that, I blow dried on hot air. You can use warm if you want, but I felt like hot, and I don't use heat, so I felt like hot kind of would get these ends, especially these colored ends, a little bit more straighter to keep them blended into the braid a little bit more. When you deep condition, you know, it's okay to use hot if you want. I mean, I don't know, but anyway, if you want, you use hot air because all the moisture you just collected from your deep conditioning. So, deep condition under a hooded dryer for 30 minutes and then rinse out with cold water, cool cold water. After that, I blow dried it straight. Then I use these these two ingredients, or these two products for my hair. This is just actually something I found, like, look how old it is. This is something I found like when I was at my mom's house, and I just took it. But it works. So this is the Dark and Lovely Healthy Gloss Moisture Hair Cream. And this will give you that creamy, you know, creamy cream to put in your hair. So this is not an oil, this is a cream. There's hair in it because I've been using it. But anyway, that's what it looks like. And I put that all over my hair. Not too much, but enough to, you know, make sure it's moisturized. I don't know. I also use the shea butter. So this is African shea butter, 100% natural. You know, you just find it at your beauty supply store. Don't be going to Walmart or Target and buy them little ones for like $15, you know, unless it's fair trade. Now I will say, if it's fair trade shea butter, this is not. So I'm actually in the process of buying fair trade shea butter from now on, because I've seen a video of those women making the shea butter. Okay, they need all the money that they, man, anyway, that's a whole nother topic. But if it's not fair trade shea butter at the big chain grocery stores, then just go to your local hair store. This was $6.99. I don't even know if you can see that. Anyway, this was $6.99. So yeah, do what you want with that information. But I know the information that I know, I'm getting fair trade shea butter from now on. So I'm gonna use the rest of this though, but you know. And that's it, you know. I use a little bit more than what I would like on regular hair, like a twist out or whatever, because I know they're gonna be in these braids, and I know the synthetic hair is gonna be rubbing up, you know, sitting up on the real hair. So I just used a little bit more to get my hair slightly greasy. But that's just me. Like, if you don't like greasy hair, I guess don't do it. But to get my hair slightly greasy, and I just kind of like work it in my scalp, and then very focused on the ends of my hair, because my ends are colored and they're a little bit more wiry than the rest of my hair. And that's it. Once I got there, she gelled each little piece down, and this piece is bothering me. She gelled each little piece down, and then she also put mousse over it, you know, to lay it down. I was watching Netflix. I'm not sure if she put like extra hair grease in it. I don't think she did though. And that's it. That's how I prep my hair for braids. If you have any other questions, leave a comment down below. Like my video, subscribe to my videos, because if you don't subscribe, you'll never know like when I post, unless you just so happen to stumble upon my post or my page. So not only subscribe, but like my video, subscribe to my video, but not only subscribe, but hit the bell. So the bell lets you know that I posted or when I posted. So yeah, thank you guys.